Oh, the free SHS policy, master. Some of us, just this after parents came here, we were all saying that had it not been free SHS, some of us wouldn't have been here. Some of the parents, they have about 3 children in the school here. So had it not been free SHS, even if they should pay 500 Ghana per semester as fees, you can imagine. The double track system has increased access to education. Other than that, Makusek, we are running double track. So if we were to have only single track, then it means my population is around, I have 3,158 students here. So if we were to be single track, then it means just half of the population would have been here. And then the rest of the about 1,005 students who are here now, we might have been in the house. And what do you think will happen? If the person is in the house doing nothing, then the society will decide for the person. But my area here, you don't get so many, especially the girls, they don't go. But the parents themselves, they will tell the girls, I don't have money. So they will be in the house. Then at the end of the day, somebody will impregnate them. And at the end of the day, they will come out with children without fathers. So for the free SHS and the double track system, some of us, we hail it.